7 scientific secrets behind the ideal morning routine. Deciding on what to add and what to take out of your morning routine can be difficult. For starters, you can't do it all every morning. You must be selective about the activities you undertake. Keep reading for 7 science-backed ideas to add to your morning routine. 1. No snooze. Hitting snooze does more to confuse your body than help it. While those extra minutes may feel like a relief, they are making the process of getting out of bed more difficult when you finally make the move. And the adverse effects can last for hours after you are up and moving. 2. Make your bed. Making your bed is an easy win first thing in the morning. Heck, you can even add this to your list and cross it off later if you want. This has the benefit of being a mental success immediately in your day. 3. Sunshine, if possible. If possible, soak up some sun first thing in the morning. Sunshine is a signal to your body that the day is starting and that it should wake up. If the real deal isn't possible, you can consider investing in a sun lamp to use in the morning. 4. Move it. Physical activity can help increase memory and concentration, so why not start your day off with it? This can be as gentle as walking or yoga, and as short as 20 minutes. Find an activity and time allotment that works for you. 5. Meditate. The act of meditation is relaxing to the body while also improving physical health. Meditation can seem a little woo-woo to many, but it can have significant physical and mental benefits. You can find a plethora of guided meditations on apps and podcasts. 6. Goals. Taking the time to handwrite your goals every morning can cement them in your mind. These do not have to be huge life goals. Your goal can be as simple as washing 1 load of laundry or as big as running a marathon. Just take a few minutes to commit it to paper. 7. Hydrate. Your body spends all night recovering and using the stores of hydration and calories you consume during the day. Drinking water first thing in the morning helps to replenish your body and sets you up for a day without the dehydration fuzzies. Before committing to adding or subtracting anything from your morning routine, consider the benefits of each practice individually.